Hi, I'm Suzanne.
And I'm Michelle.
We are Jamaican sisters, business partners, foodies, and well-known lovers of Caribbean culture.
And we want you to journey with us to meet some of our friends, old and new, as we drop in on them for some island potluck.
Get to know all the quirky and creative characters we meet and share in some good food, drink, conversation, laughter, and all-round wicked island vibes.
Make no mistake, this is the real deal.
Showing you what it is to live, work, and play in what is home for us.
Anybody can cook vegetarian food, but not anyone can cook Ital. You have to have patience. You take your time, do what you're doing. Not something you can rush. Ital food has no salt
at
whatsoever.
all. No sugar?
No sugar. We don't want nothing out of no pack, no tin, straight natural things. No farmer carcass. While you're here, you can rest. A lot of work. Well, I've been here since 72, but you have others that were here before. We have been selling food from 25 cents a box, you know. And as time goes on, the price take time step up. But we try our best to accommodate those who can't really afford.
So if somebody comes here and they don't have money, you always
We feed them same way.
Suzanne and Michelle, Basil.
Hi, Basil. How are you?
I'm okay.
Hi, Basil. Nice to meet you. How are you doing? Can you show us what you have on the pot?
Yeah, man. This is red peas for some sip.
For some sip. And you call, what is sip?
You would call it soup.
Oh!
Sip now, it's meatless. This one is now split peas, broad bean, corn.
So that is what the Ital stew.
That is the Ital stew.
And this is gungo for the rice and peas.
Oh, nice. Gungo rice and peas.
Yeah, man.
Okay, that's good. I see you have your traditional coal pot and everything.
Yeah, man. Most people now using gas.
Yes.
We still use the coal.
Right.
Because
the coal give you a better flavor.
yes, that is true.
Yeah.
So I love how they call it sip, not soup.
Yeah,
Never
I know.
heard that
You see
before.
the soup now, as I say, it has meat in it, and we don't really deal with the meat.
Yeah, but I never
While
hear
the
it put that
the
way
sip
before.
Is Ital.
Sure.
All right.
Food is
Yeah,
actually-
the
what's the
ingredients will
difference?
look like vegetarian, but vegetarian will sprinkle salt
Salty.
in it.
Right.
We don't use salt, none at all.
Nothing
named salt.
ever.
Because the food itself has in salt, you know.
Yes, that's excellent.
And there's also something about how I've always heard like how you cook the food, like with the intention with which you cook the food. And
Yeah, we cook the food. Whenever we are preparing the food, you're supposed to have a joy within yourself, no angry feelings.
Right. How you sell a lunch now?
Like Ital
sips,
stew, very
yeah.
cheap.
Okay.
The Ital stew, only $200.
Wow, that's
The
just great.
Kalalo and the Aki, $250.
So that's like the best.
That's the
meal
best deal
for the
in
best
town.
price.
And so you go to the market every day.
Every morning.
And you buy a wide variety of things, I imagine, to just do the food.
And you have to do that obviously to keep the food fresh.
fresh.
Show us some of the stuff that you cook and the stuff you get at the market for all of your dishes, please, daily.
With food now, we're gonna cook yam, dasheen. This is the cocoa.
Okay, so that's your cook.
I love cocoa.
Yes.
This is my favorite.
Does it go into the stew or you put
No,
like serve it on the side?
Separate. All right. Suppose you come and you don't want any rice and peas. You'll get food.
And how did you start coming down here, Marvin?
I was looking for a vegetarian place to eat at on the road, and I found Basil, and the food has been consistent for the last 10 years that I've been coming here.
Oh,
And you know that every time you come, the menu is gonna be standard and the food is gonna taste good. I would still come here to eat because number one, I'm guaranteed that the food is gonna taste a certain way, be of a certain standard. Number two, you come in here and there's a nice breeze, you know, it's very authentic.
You're right now.
Basil has awesome energy too.
Yeah, there's an energy that is is obviously transferred to the food. I mean, the other thing about eating everything, you get a well-rounded meal. The plate is like that high. You eat it and you don't feel to sleep after. You know, it's one of those secret. If you don't know about this place, you don't know. It's not being advertised anywhere in the newspaper. It doesn't come on the radio. It's kind of like once in a certain circle of eating, of consciousness, then you can find out about the place.
I don't see anything else out there I enjoy doing, like how I enjoy cooking, seeing the face and the reaction of people. Yeah, man. And your food is also your medicine.
Yes, very true.
So as long as you are giving them the right food, you are also healing them.